Good morning students. Today we are going to learn about the multiplication of mixed fractions. Mixed fraction includes a whole number and a proper fraction. Here we can see the first question. Question number 5b. 2 6 by 7 into 5 1 by 4. Before multiplying a mixed fraction, first of all we have to convert the mixed fractions into improper fractions. So we know what is the conversion of a mixed fraction to an improper fraction. Just we can see answer 2 into 7 plus 6 by 7. That is whole number into the denominator plus the numerator by the same denominator. Here instead of this 5 1 by 4, we are converting that 5 1 by 4 into improper fraction like this. 5 into 4 plus 1 by 4. Now this is equal to 2 7s are 14 plus 6 by 7 into 5 4s are 20 plus 1 by 4. And this is equal to 14 plus 6 become 20 by 7 into 20 plus 1 21 by 4. Now it is easy to multiply. Before multiplication we have to see if there is any common factors in the numerator and denominator that we have to cancel. Here 21 and 7 you can cancel by 7. 7 by 7 1, 21 by 7 3. 4 and 20 also you can cancel. 4 by 4 1, 20 by 4 5. That is answer is equal to 5 into 3 divided by 1 into 1. That is equal to 5 3s are 15. If the denominator is 1, that you can neglect, that is 15 by 1 is equal to 15. Now we can see the second question, question number D. Here also first of all we have to convert the mixed fractions into improper fractions. Answer, first we are converting 4 into 7 plus 5 divided by 7 into 2 into 11 plus 6 divided by 11. And this is equal to 4 7s are 28 plus 5 by 7 into 2 11s are 22 plus 6 by 11. This is equal to 28 plus 3 become 33 by 7 into 22 plus 6 become 28 by 11. Now before multiplying, cancel the common factors. Here 33 and 11 you can cancel by 11. 11 by 11 1, 33 by 11 3. 7 and 28 also you can cancel. 7 by 7 1, 28 by 7 become 4. Now what is left here? 3 4. That is 3 into 4 divided by 1 into 1. That is equal to 3 4s are 12. 12 by 1 is equal to 12. Now the next question is F. That is question is 11 2 by 3 into 3 1 by 2 into 4 2 by 7. Here you can say 3 mixed fractions are there. So all the 3 we are going to convert into improper fractions. Then we will cancel the common factors. Then we will find out the answer. First of all 11 into 3 plus 2 by 3 into, now the second one 3 into 2 plus 1 by 2 into the third mixed fraction 4 into 7 plus 2 by 7. That is equal to 11 3s are 33. 33 plus 2 by 3 into 2 3s are 6 plus 1 by 2 into 4 7s are 28 plus 2 by 7. Okay. Next one is 33 plus 2 become 35 by 3 into 6 plus 1 7 by 2 into 28 plus 2 that is 30 by 7. Okay. Now we can cancel the common factors. Here one thing you can cancel 7 and 7. 30 and 2 also you can cancel. Here you will get 15 and here you will get 1. Now it is 35 and here 15, here 3. Then we can write here 35 into 15 by 3. Now it is more so clear. Now 15 and 3 again you can cancel. 3 by 3 become 1 and 5 3s are 15. Now the 35 into 5. Now what is 35 into 5? 35 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 2. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 2, 17. So answer is 175. Now we are coming to the next question. 9 1 by 3 into 1 5 by 7 into 4 1 by 2. Here also we are doing the same method. First of all we are converting all the three mixed fractions into improper fractions. 9 into 3 plus 1 by 3 into 1 into 7 plus 5 by 7 into 4 into 2 plus 1 by 2. So we are converting all the mixed fractions. This is equal to 9 3s are 27 plus 1 by 3 into 7 plus 5 by 7 into 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1 by 2. Now we can add the numbers. 27 plus 1, 28 by 3 into 7 plus 5, 12 by 7 plus into 8 plus 1, 9 by 2. Now we can cancel all the common factors. So 3 and 12 we can cancel. 3 by 3 become 1, 12 by 3 become 4. Now 7 and 28 you can cancel. 7 by 7 1, 4 7s are 28. Now the leftover numbers are here. It is 4 into, here also 4 into, here 1 9 is here and here 1 into 2. Now 4 and 2 you can cancel. Here again 2. So the numbers are 2 into 4 into 9. That is equal to 2 into 4 is equal to 8. 8 into 9. Answer is equal to 72. Now we can see two more questions. This is question number I. Here 7 by 8 into, the second one we are converting, 3 into 5 plus 1 by 5 into 4 into 2 plus 1 by 2. Now this is equal to 7 by 8 into 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 1, 16. 16 by 5 into 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 by 2. Now we can cancel all the common factors. Here factors are 8 and 16 you can cancel. 8 by 8, 1. 8 2s are 16. Now this 2 and this 2 become cancelled. Now what is left here? 7 and 9 by 5. So 7 9s are 63 by 5. Now we can go to the next question. Question number K. In question number K there are 4 fractions are there. They are 1 3 by 7 into 5 by 39 into 10 2 by 5 into 2 1 by 10. Answer. Each fraction we can convert. 1 into 7 plus 3 by 7 into, here no need of converting, it is 5 by 39 because already it is in proper fraction. Now into 10 into 5 plus 2 by 5 into 2 into 10 plus 1 by 10. Now this is equal to 1 into 7, 7. 7 plus 3 become 10. 10 by 7 into 5 by 39 into 10 into 5, 50. 50 plus 2, 52. 52 by 5 into 2 into 10, 20. 20 plus 1, 21 by 10. Now we have to cancel the common fractions, common factors from this numerator and the denominator. Here 10, 10 cancelled, 5, 5 cancelled. What is left here? 52 into 21 by 7 into 39. Now 7 and 21 you can cancel. Here 3 7s are 21, 7 by 7, 1. Now 52 and 39, is there any common? Because before going for 52, 3 and 39 also you can cancel. 3 by 3 become 1 and 39 by 3, 1 3s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So 13 into 3 become 39. Now 13 and 52, what is left here? Here it is 52 and here it is 13. Now, can you cancel these two? Yes, it is also cancelled by 13. 13 by 13 become 1. 13 into 4 become 52. 13 into 4. 4 3s are 12. 1 left. 4 into 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Therefore, our answer is 4. Now, question number 6. Here, we are going to find the fraction of a number. We have learned about what is the half of number 4. Half of number 4 means 1 by 2 of number 4. We know that. What is the half of number 4? It is 2. Because 2 plus 2 become 4. Now by doing such calculations, how we can find the fraction of a number? Here you can see in these questions a word of. Here of means multiplication. Of means our multiplication simple. This is very simple. We can see the first question. First one is 3 by 4 of 2. That is equal to 3 by 4. I already told you of means into 2. This one already we are familiar with this type of questions. What to do here? Here we are multiplying a whole number and a fraction. Before multiplying, you have to cancel the common factors. So here it is 2 and 4. We can cancel by 2. 2 by 2 become 1. 4 by 2 become 2. So answer is equal to 3 into 1 by 2. That is equal to 3 by 2. Okay. Now we can come to the next question. Here 3 by 8 of 8. This is equal to 3 by 8 of means into 8. Now here 8 and 8 become cancelled. Only 3 is left. So answer is 3. Now next question is question number E. 11 by 8 of 16. This is equal to 11 by 8 into 16. Here 16 and 8 can be cancelled by 8 itself. 8 by 8 become 1. 8 2s are 16. So this is equal to 11 into 2. And answer is equal to 22. Next question, question number G. Similarly, here it is equal to 2 by 5 into, instead of we are writing into 50. Here 50 and 5 we can cancel by 5. 5 by 5 become 1. 50 by 5 is equal to 10 because 10 5s are 50. This is equal to 2 into 10 and that is equal to, answer is 20. Now question number I. 4 by 10 of 10. This is equal to 4 by 10 into 10. Here we have done a similar question. 10 and 10 we can cancel. So answer is equal to 4. Now next question, question number K. 7 by 6 of 120. This is equal to 7 by 6 into 120. Here 6 and 120 you can cancel. 6 by 6 become 1. and 20 into 6. 20 into 6 are 120. So this is equal to 7 into 20 and this is equal to 7 2s are 14. So 7 into 20 is equal to 140. So answer is 140.